I just got to go to where they make movies at Universal Studios Hollywood. I got to meet Chucky and Tommy and Angelica and all the Rugrats in person in a cool magic show. Then I saw this really funny Nutty Professor show with real Hollywood sound effects. And Terminator 2 3D was just like being inside a movie. Awesome. And we did tons of cool stuff at Universal CityWalk. My friends will never believe I got into Hollywood.
Universal Studios Hollywood, the world's largest movie studio and theme park.
Universal Orlando, home of 2 amazing theme parks, dazzling entertainment, and non-stop excitement. Universal Studios is the only place on Earth where you can ride the movies. Islands of Adventure, Orlando's next-generation theme park, where the world's most innovative rides and attractions take your imagination where it's never gone before. It's CityWalk, Orlando's hottest spot for entertainment. CityWalk has it all. 2 amazing theme parks, CityWalk Entertainment Complex, Portofino Bay Hotel, and the all-new Hard Rock Hotel. Universal Orlando.